this problem, design the illumination for a class 10 meter long and 6 meter wide with the ceiling height of the 3 meter. The ceilings are painted white and the walls in light colors are having the reflection factor 50%. So classroom is there. So that for the classroom, we have to select the appropriate illumination. So we have to refer the appropriate illumination table for the classroom. We select the 250 lux. And then room index. So in this room index will be the AB. So AB divided by H into A plus B. A is a length and B is a width. So the length is a 10, width is a 6. And H means this is the long to the height is a 3 meter, but the depth the height of the deck is a 0.86 meter. So the from the line to the deck is a 3 minus 0.8, so there's a 2 by 2 meter. And A is a long range, and B is a long width, so 10 plus 6. So we substitute, we calculate the 1 by 7. After that, we use this table here. This is the long ratio, this is the index, UK standard and the US standard. And for this long ratio is a 1 by 7. 1 by 7 is 1 by 3 to 1 by 7. And this is for the UA standard is a E, and the US standard is a S. So therefore, we are using this long ratio. This is for the E. So the E is this is the long ratio. Now we are using this 1 by 7. So between the 1 by 3 to 1 by 7.5. So this is the long ratio with the E. So the based on this long ratio E. So we utilize the utilization factor. Utilization factor for the E is of 0.42. So this is the utilization factor. In the meantime, this is the table for utilization factor. So that this is 0.42. And ceiling reflection factor, we usually take in the 0.75. Wall reflection factor is the 0.5. And maintenance factor usually take in the 0.8. And then based on the required illumination at 250 lux, we have to utilize the appropriate fluorescent lamp. The fluorescent lamps are the you have to utilize. The white fluorescent lamp 3000 lumen each. So these are utilized. And therefore we recommend the twin light for the classroom. So the total illumination E is equal to the 2 multiplied 3000 to 6000 lumens by the each fluorescent light. Okay, then we can calculate the number of luminance. So number of luminance N equal to E multiplied A. E is this is the selected light intensity. A is the area of the classroom. F is this is for the E will be the requires classroom illumination level. F is a selected luminance. Selected luminance is this is here with the 6000. And C will be the factor. So this is the utilization factor. It's a 542 here. M is a maintenance factor. Maintenance factor is 0.8. So we substitute and calculate. So therefore you can calculate the 7 by 3. So the requires light will be there 7 by 3. So that we decide the 8. So this is the 4 light and another 4 light and 2 row can be calculated. In the meantime, that we can also calculate illumination. Illumination we can either read from the table or we can make the manual calculation. E is going to I by D square into cos theta into this is the unit with the legs. So this is for the here. This is for the H. H will be the this is for the above the ground level. So this theta and this is the luminance point. This is the place. So the difference is angle D. Difference the distance D and angle is a theta. So E is the illumination lumen per meter square or legs. I is the intensity of the source candela. D is the distance from the source to the surface considers angle. Theta is the angle of incidence. So this is for that we can calculate. E is equal to I by D square into cos theta legs. So we need to control the glare. So when you are designing the illumination system, we need to control the glare. Appropriate control glare methods are to be concerned. And the next topic will be the fire protection. So fire protection, this is the fire alarms and layout system here. Electronic circuit, this is the alarm, this is the power supply, and the test circuit. So this is the ionization. So between the where the ionizer happens, so electrical current flow, so electronic circuit sense, and the alarm will coming out. So this is for the fire protection electronic circuit system.